Hey everyone, welcome back to Viral Hacks. Want to get more Instagram likes without spending any money? You're in the right place. Today I'll show you the best tips to get free likes on your posts. Whether you're growing your profile, promoting a business, or just sharing cool photos, these tips will help you out. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, do subscribe. And if you like the video, click the like button. It will make me very happy. So, let's start today's trick.
First, open any browser. Now, search for technicalinfo.in. A website will appear, and you need to go to it. So, go to technicalinfo.in. Now, let the website load. Once the website is loaded, scroll down and find the option, Search this blog.